Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about 3 digits number. So let's start with that. In the previous class you have learned 2 digits number. We also know that 10 is the smallest 2 digits number and 99 is the greatest 2 digits number. Okay, हमें पता है 10 और 99 के बारे में. Let's see what we get on adding 1 to 99. 99 में 1 को ऐड करने पे हमें क्या मिलता है? 99 plus 1 is equal to 9 tens plus 9 ones plus 1 1. So 9 tens plus 10 ones. अगर आप 9 ones में 1 plus करोगे so you will get 10 ones. So 9 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 10 tens. Okay beta, we get 10 tens as 1000 and write it is 100. So 10 tens हमारा क्या होता है 100 और हम कैसे लिखेंगे इसको 100 like this. So 100 is the smallest 3 digits number. जो हमारा 100 होता है सबसे छोटा 3 digits वाला नंबर होता है. A 3 digits number has 3 digits at ones, tens and hundreds places. It is read and written like this. इसको इस तरीके से लिखा जाता है. Let's see. The first place from the right is the ones place. हमारा right से ones place होता है पहला. The second place from the right is tens place. और right से जो दूसरा नंबर पे होता है वो tens place कहलाता है. The third place from the right is a hundred place. Okay. So like this ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay beta, I hope you understood. So now 3 digits number start with 100 and proceed as follows. Okay, so first number is 101. So number name क्या होगा? ONE 1, HUNDRED 100 and ONE 1 like this. Okay, so after 101, 102, then 103 and still 110 and then 111, 112 and so on. After this 121, 122 and these are the counting beta which goes further and further. Okay, so you just read and write the counting. Okay, so this process of counting goes on till 999. तो ये जो काउंटिंग है ना ये हमारी 999 तक चलती है. 999 is the greatest 3 digits number. Okay, this is very important. Just revise it. Thus 3 digits number start with 100 and end at 999. Okay, so there are 903 digits number in all. तो इन दोनों के बीच में कितने नंबर होते हैं? There are 903 digits number. Okay, I hope you understood. So next topic is number names. A number name denotes how we read out a numeral. हम numeral को कैसे read करते हैं? To read a 3 digits number, we put hundreds against the 100 digits and read the remaining number as a 2 digits number. Suppose we have to write 542. So how we will write? 2 at ones place, 4 at tens place and 5 at hundreds place. Okay, so write the missing number from 101 to 201. So these are the some blanks grid forms. So there is a counting which start from 101. So you have to write it like after 101, 102, then 103 comes, then 104, उसके बाद में आता है 105, after this 106 come, then 107, then 108, then 109, then 110. After 110 you have to write it 111, then 12, then 13 until goes with 200. Okay, so you have to fill these blanks by yourselves. Okay, so now complete the grid by filling in the missing numbers from 201 to 300. Okay beta, so these are the grid given over here. So let's start with that. After 201, write it 202. Okay, this is how we have to write. First 2, then 0, then 202 के बाद 203. So write 203 like that. फिर 204, then 205, 205, then 206, 206, 207, then 208, then 209, then 210, then 11, then 12, and it's just end with 300. So similarly you just fill other blanks yourself. Complete the grid by filling in the missing numbers from 301 to 400. Okay beta, so let's start with 301, then after 301, 302 like this. Okay, after 303 means 303, it's 303, then 304, 304, 305, then write 306, 306, then 307, then 308, then 309, then 310. Similarly, you have to fill other blanks yourselves. This is simple counting, okay? So now filling the missing numbers from 401 to 500, okay? So start with 401. After 401, which number comes? Yes, it's 402, means 402 comes. After this, 403, okay? After this, 404 comes. Then 405, then 406 आता है. After this, 407 comes. Then 408, then 409, then उसके बाद 410. So this is very simple counting. So rest filling the blanks or missing numbers, you have to fill it by your own. Okay beta? So now write the missing numbers from 501 to 600. So start with that. 501, उसके बाद में आता है 502. Okay? Then 503 like this. Then 504. 505 is already given. Then 506. 507, then 508, then 509, and after that 510s. After 510s, 511, 512, then 13, then 14, till it goes 600. Okay beta, this is how you have to fill. So now complete the grid by filling in the missing numbers from 601 to 700. So start with 601, then 602, okay, then 603, then 604, then 605 comes, उसके बाद 606, then 607, उसके बाद 608, 608, then 609, फिर 610, then 611 you have to write, then 612, until it goes 700. Okay, so this is how you have to fill by your own beta. So now write the missing numbers from 701 to 800. Okay, so start with 701 first. So 701 के बाद में 702, then 703, then 704, then 705 comes, then 6, then 707 comes, then 708, then 709, then 710. After 710, 711, 712, 713 until goes to 800. Okay, so this is simple counting. You have to fill it by your own. Okay, so now write the missing numbers from 801 to 900. Okay beta, so let's start with 801. After 801, 802, 802, 802. Okay. After 802, 803 comes. After 803, 804. Then 805 comes. Then 806. उसके बाद आता है 807. Then 808. You have to write it very nicely. Then 809. उसके बाद 810. After 810, 811, then 812, then 813 until goes 900. So these are the other blanks which you have to fill it by your own beta. Okay. So now write the missing numbers from 901 to 1000. Okay. So start with 901. So after 901, 902, then 903, 904, 904, 905, then 906, then 907, 907, then 908, and this is 909. After 909, 910, 911, 912, then 13, then 14 until it goes 1000. So this is how we have to write, counting from 1 to 1000. Okay, beta? So just do practice. Okay. So our next topic is numbers and numbers name. Okay. Write the following numbers in figure. One has been done for you. So first one is given 568. So this is 568. Next is 643. So this is 600 and this is 4343. Similarly 767. So 767. Okay. This is how we have to write in a figure form. Okay. I hope you understood well. So these are the other blanks beta which we have to fill it by your own. Okay. So our next is write the following numerals in word. One has been done for you. अब इनको क्या करना है आपको numbers name में लिखना है. So first one is already given. So we just start with second one. 178. So how we will write? 100, 170, 170 and 8. Okay, this is how we have to write 178. Okay, next one is 429. So 400, 400, 20 and 9. So this is 429, then 456, then 384, 871. But these are the other numbers which you have to fill by your own. Okay. So now counting breaks. So what is this? Write the missing numbers. One has been done for you. So these are the counting. 105, 106, 107, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 and 14 like this. So on second line 321, after 321, 322, okay. After 322, 323 comes, उसके बाद 324, फिर 325, after this 326, then 327, after this 328 and after this 329 comes. Okay, so this is simple counting. Okay, so like this you have to start with 731, then go 732, 735 and like this you have to fill it other answers yourselves. Okay, so beta next topic is before, after, between. Find the number that comes just before the given number. Okay, one has been done for you. So 183 से पहले 182. Similarly 229. So what comes just दैट नंबर. सो 229 से पहले हमारा आता है 228. यस. एंड 200 से पहले हमारा आएगा 199. ओके. So like this you have to fill the other blanks yourself. Okay. So now move on. Next one. Find the number that comes just after the given numbers. Okay. One has been done for you. 48 के बाद में आता है 49. Similarly 517. After 517 518 comes like this. Okay. 714. After 714 715 comes. Similarly after 899 so 900 comes. So beta, these are the concept of after numbers. Okay, I hope you understood well. So next is find the number that comes in between the given number. Okay, one has been done for you. 499 and 500. So इसके बीच में आता है नंबर 500. Similarly 934 और ये है हमारा 936. So इन दोनों के बीच में आएगा हमारा नंबर 935. And this is 237 and 239. So इन दोनों के बीच में हमारा नंबर आएगा 238. Okay. सिमिलरली 802 और 804. तो इन दोनों के बीच में नंबर आएगा हमारा 803. तो बेटा these are the concepts of between numbers. Okay. So fill all the blanks yourselves. Okay. So now 3 digits numbers on the abacus. Okay. Look at the abacus shown here like this. It has 3 spikes showing ones, 0. Okay. Tens T and 100 H respectively, each having some beats. ये हमारा ones है, ये tens है और ये हमारा H for hundreds. How to read a number from an abacus? Abacus में numbers को कैसे read करते हैं? The number of beats in the 100 spikes shows the number of hundreds. जो हमारे hundreds में जितने हमारे beats हैं वो hundreds के place को show करते हैं. The number of beats in the tens spikes shows the number of tens. यहाँ पर जितने होंगे वो tens की place को show करेंगे. The number of beats in the ones spikes shows the number of ones. और ये हमारे ones की place को show करेंगे. In the abacus shown above, there are 5 beats in the 100 spikes, 2 beats in the 10 spikes, and 5 beats in the 1 spikes. Okay. Thus, the number has 5 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 5 ones like this. Okay. So, the number shown on the abacus is 525. Okay. This is how we just read the numbers which is shown on the abacus. I hope you understood well, beta. So, now next. Write the number shown by each abacus. One has been done for you. Okay. So, how many beats are there? So first one is already done. So move on next one. So ones की place में कितने हैं? 2. Tens की place में कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write it 4. 100 की place में कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write it 6. So now it becomes 642. So write the value of 600, 600, then 40 and 2. Okay. So this is how we just read the abacus. Okay. जितने beats हैं आपको उसके नीचे उतनी ही value लिखनी है. So these are the other blanks which you have to fill it by your own beta. Okay. So now move on next one. Draw beats on each abacus to show the number. One has been done for you. So हमारा ones की place में कितना है? 0. Tens की place पर भी है 0 और 100 की place पर कितना है? 8. Similarly, this is already done. हम next में जाएंगे. First one पे कितना है हमारा? 9. So this is ones, this is tens, this is 100. So ones की place में हमारा कितने? 9. So हम क्या करेंगे? 9s को draw करेंगे beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 like this. टेंस की प्लेस में कितने बीट्स हैं हमारे बच्चों? 1. सो राइट इट ओनली 1. 100 की प्लेस पर कितने बीट्स हैं? 5. सो ड्रॉ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you have to draw the numbers, okay, as accordingly given by the book. So 1s की प्लेस पे 9 है, 10s की प्लेस पर 1 है और 100 की प्लेस पर 5 है. Okay, so these are the other example which you have to fill it by your own beta. Okay, write the number shown by each abacus. One has been done for you. Okay beta, so this is abacus and these are beads. So at 1 place 2 beads, at 10 place 2, at 100 place 4 beads. So it becomes 422. Okay, similarly on that abacus 2 are there, so write it 2. There 1, 2, 3, 4. So write it 4 at 10's place and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it becomes now 742. So write it like 740 and 2. Okay, so this is how we have to just count the beads and write the correct value of that particular one. Okay beta, so these are the other examples, you have to fill it by your own. Okay, so now draw beads on each abacus to show the number. One has been done for you. Okay, so this is already done, so we will start with second one. So this is 519. So this is 10's place, this is 1's place, this is 10's place and this is 100 place. So we just put the beads over it. So like this abacus. So 519. So 5, 1, 9. So now you have to draw 9 beads at 1's place. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, now 10's place, 10's की प्लेस में 1 बीट है, so draw 1 like this. Okay, आप इसको बराबर कर सकते हो. 100 की प्लेस में how many beats? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is how we just draw the beats over here like 519. Okay, so these are the other example of that one, you have to fill it by your own. Okay beta, so now next topic is face value and place value. So let's start with face value. The face value of a digit in a number is its actual value. The position of digits doesn't matter here. Thus in the number 425, the face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 2 is 2. The face value of 4 is 4. हमारा 425 लाइक 4 की प्लेस वैल्यू हमारी 4 है, 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू 2 एंड 5 की प्लेस वैल्यू इज 5. नोट, फेस वैल्यू ऑफ डिजिट्स नेवर चेंजेस बट प्लेस वैल्यू डज. ओके, फेस वैल्यू की हमारे जो डिजिट्स होते हैं वो चेंज नहीं होते हैं, उसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती है, बट प्लेस वैल्यू की चेंज होती है. ओके, सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जस्ट रिवाइज इट. नाउ प्लेस वैल्यू. सो व्हाट इज दिस? लेट्स रीड. द वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिजिट्स बेस्ड ऑन इट्स place in a number is called its place value. Okay, find the place value of 6, 4 and 5 in the number 645 like this. So 5 की हमारी जो place value है, 5 is in the ones column, so place value 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Place value of 5 is 5. Similarly 4 की place value है, 4 is in the tens column. So, place value is equal to 4 into 10 is equal to 40. So, place value of 4 is 40. So, बच्चों 6 की place value हो गई 6 in the hundreds column. So place value is equal to 6 into 100 is equal to 600. So place value of 6 is 600. So this is how we just read the place value of a particular one number. Okay. So now move on next. Write the place value of the following digits. Okay. So first one is given 128. So now 8 की place value हो गई बच्चों 8, क्योंकि 8 हमारा वंस की प्लेस पर है. 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू हो गई 20, क्योंकि हमारा 2 टेंस की प्लेस पर है. 100 की प्लेस वैल्यू हो गई 100. So this is how we have to do the place value of that one. Similarly 435. So 5 की प्लेस वैल्यू हो गई 5. 4 की प्लेस वैल्यू हो गई 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू हो गई 30 एंड 4 की प्लेस वैल्यू हो गई बच्चों हमारी 400. Okay, so these are the other example of that place value. So fill it very nicely. So now next is write the place value of the colored digits. अब हमें क्या करना है, सिर्फ उसकी place value बतानी है जिसमें कि color हो रखा है. So first one is given 28. So 28 में 2 में color हो रखा है. So 2 की place value होती है बच्चों yes 20. 96 में 9 पे कलर है. So 9 की place value बनती है 90. Okay, similarly you have to fill that numbers or their place value yourself. Okay, so this is very easy. Now move on next one. Write the face value and place value of the circle digits. अब आपने क्या करना है, जिसमें सर्कल कर रखा है उसका आपने place value as well as face value बताना है. So let's start with first one. So 146. So face value हमारी क्या हो गई, 1 की face value हो गई बच्चों हमारी 1 itself. Similarly 273 की face value हमारी 7 का 7, यहाँ पर 4 का 4 and here 1 का 1. Why? Because face value जो भी number होता है it remains itself, it remains same. Okay, now place value. So 1 की place value हो गई 100. Okay, 7 की place value हो गई 70. Why? Because 7 is at 10th place. 4 की क्या हो गई बच्चों, 4 का बन गया हमारा yes you're right 40 and 162 means 1 की हमारी place value हो गई 1 is converted to 100 as it is on 100 place. So this is the concept of face value as well as place value. I hope you understood. So now next, expanded form and short form. The expanded form of a number shows the place value of each digit in it. 643. So how we will write 600 plus 4 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 6 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 600 plus 40 plus 3 like these. So ये हमारी बच्चों क्या हो गया, expanded form in words. Okay, so now 600 plus 40 plus 3 is the expanded form of 643. 643 is called the standard or short form. Okay, 643 हमारा short form होगा. So now move on next one. Write the following numbers in expanded form. One has been done for you. So 579 becomes 500 plus 70 plus 9. Similarly 647. So 600 हमारा बना है like this. 40, write it 40. 7 का 7. Okay, so this is the expanded form. Similarly 988. So 900 का हमारा बना like this 900. Then 80. Then 8. So it becomes 988. So beta, these are the other example of expanded form. You have to fill it by your own nicely. So now next, write the following numbers in a standard or short form. अब आपको क्या लिखना है, शॉर्ट फॉर्म पे लिखना है. 1 has been done for you. 300 plus 80 plus 4 is equal to 304. Yes, similarly 200 plus 90 plus 7 makes number 297. Okay, so now 800 plus 10 plus 0 makes number 810. So with this, you know, we understood how to write in a short form. Okay, so now next one, comparing numbers. So comparisons of two numbers means to find that which of the two number is greater or smaller. In comparison of two numbers, we may have the following cases. Case number 1. Okay, case number 1, when different number of digits, the number with more digits is greater than the number with less digits. Compare 38 and 168 like this. Okay, so 168 has 3 digits and 38 has 2 digits. So 168 is greater than 38. हमारा 168 3 digits का हुआ, 38 हमारा 2 digits का है. So we can also write it as 168 is greater than 38. Okay, so this is the concept of comparing numbers. So now case number 2, same number of digits, first compare hundreds. अगर हमारे सेम नंबर होते हैं तो हम उसको 100 से शुरू करते हैं. कंपेयर 531 एंड 428. Ones, tens, 100. Here it is also ones, tens, 100. So compare with 100 first. So here it is 5. Here it is 4. So we know that 5 is greater than 4. हमें पता है. So hence we know 5 is greater than 4. So 538 is greater than 428, और हम कह सकते हैं 531 is greater than completely 428. Okay. If digits in the 100 place are the same, then compare tens. अगर 100 की प्लेस पर सेम होती है तो हमें किससे करना है, टेंस की प्लेस से कंपेयर करना है. नाउ कंपेयर 629 and 651. So here it is given ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. So 629 and 651. So compare with 100 place. 6 or 6, they both are same. Now compare with tens place. Here it is 2. Here it is 5. So we know that 5 is greater than 2. So we know 5 is greater than 2. So 658 is greater than 629. Okay. और हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं 651 is greater than 629. If digits in the tens place are also same, then compare ones. अगर यहाँ भी सेम होती है तो हम 1 से कंपेयर करेंगे. Compare 837 and 835. So let's start with ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. So here it is given 837 and 835. We know that at 100 place 8 same. At tens place 3 and 3 are same. Ones place, here it is 7, here it is 5. So 7 is greater than 5. We know 7 is greater than 5. So 837 is greater than 835. Okay. Or you can say that 837 is greater than 835. So with this we understood the concept of that number, that which number is bigger or which number is smaller. I hope you understood, beta. So now next one. Compare the numbers and put the correct symbols like greater than, less than or is equal to in the given space. One has been done for you. 85, 105. So we know that 85 is bigger than 88. It's already done. So now move on next one. 400, 400. Now you tell me the first, are they both equal or one is bigger, one is smaller? No, they both are equal because 400 or 400, they both are equal. Okay, 400 and here it is also 400. Now next is 736 and 376. Now compare with 100 place first. So 100 की place पर यहाँ पर है 7 और यहाँ पर है 3. So we know that 7 is greater than 3. So just we can say that completely 736 is greater than 376. Similarly, these are the other example of that one beta. So now you have to fill it by your own. Okay. So now move on next. Formation of greatest and smallest number. हमें greatest और smallest number कैसे बनाने होते हैं? Let's start. To form the greatest 3 digits number, place the bigger digits in the hundreds place and the smallest digits at ones place. To form the smallest 3 digits number, place the smallest digits in the hundreds and the biggest at ones place. Okay? Form the greatest and smallest number using the digits 8, 3 and 9. 8, 3, 9 से हम सीखेंगे कि which number is bigger, which number is not bigger, how to form the number. Okay? So greatest number is 9, उसके बाद 8 and then 3. So we can see that after form the number, we get 983 is our greatest number. Similarly, we just find out the smallest number first. So we see that 8, 3 and 9. Among these 3 number, 3 are, 3 is our smallest number. After this 8, after this 9. So 389 is our smallest number. So with this, we understood the concept of formation of greatest and smallest number. I hope you understood well, beta. So now next one. Circle the smallest number in each group. One has been done for you. अब आपको क्या कर रखा है? यहाँ पर smallest number दे रखे हैं. आपने उसमें से एक को circle करना है. First one is already done for you. Now next one. 617, 706, 501, 467 and 647. Now you just have to find out which one is smallest. So compare with 100 place. We know that 467 is our smallest number. Why? Because its ones place has smallest number like 4. Okay. Similarly, next one 756, 558, 585, 486, 468. So you have to start with 100 place. So we can see that 4 and 4. We have two value of 4 and 4. So they both are small. Now compare between two numbers. Okay. So let's start with tens place. So here it is 8 or here it is 6. So now we can say that 468 is the smallest number of among these number. Okay. So this is how we have to solve the other one. Okay beta. So now next one is circle the greatest number in each group. One has been done for you. अब आपको क्या करना है? इसमें greatest number लिखना है. So our number is 216, 513, 531, 261 and 611. So we know that the biggest number is 611, which is already done. So now next is 395, 449, 845, 494 and 854. So among all we know that 8 and 8 both the number have 8 or 8. हमारे इसमें भी 8 है 100 की प्लेस पर और इसमें भी 8 है. So इन दोनों में से which one is our greatest number? Yes, this one, because इसकी tens की प्लेस पर बड़ा नंबर है. So we can say that 854 is our greatest number. So this is how you have to find the greatest number. Okay beta. So these are the other example of that one. You have to solve it. Okay. Now next concept is ascending and descending order. Ascending order. When numbers are written in the order from the smallest to the largest, they are said to be in an increasing or ascending order. For example, 106, 284, 339, 565 and 806 are in ascending order. Okay, so हमारा पहले ये छोटा नंबर, फिर बड़ा नंबर, उसके बाद बड़ा नंबर, फिर उससे और बड़ा, फिर उससे और बड़ा. So arrange the following numbers in ascending or increasing order. One has been done for you. So like this: 159, 548, 157, 212, 740 and 368. So smaller number, then bigger, then bigger, then bigger, फिर उससे बड़ा and then biggest number. Similarly, go to next one: 285, 612, 356, 621, 554 and 365. So now we have to write in a ascending order. For this we have to find the smallest number first. So we can see that 285 is a smallest number. So write it 285 first. Okay, and cut it from list बेटा. यहाँ से लिस्ट से कट कर दिया. उसके बाद हमारा क्या बचता है? 356. So write it 356 like this. Okay, and cut it from list 2. उसके बाद आता है बच्चों 365. So write it 365 and cut it from list. Okay, उसके बाद हमारा आता है 554. So write it 554. Then cut it from list. So now two numbers are remain. So अब हमारा कौन सा बड़ा है? 621 बचा और 612 बचा. So now we know that 621 is our smaller number. और उसके बाद हमारा क्या आता है? सबसे बड़ा नंबर आएगा हमारा 621. So we can see that 285, 356, 365, 554, 621 and the biggest number is 621. So this is how we have to do the other one. Okay, you have to find out the smaller number, then bigger number, then bigger number, then bigger number and then last biggest number. Okay, so this is how we just do the increasing order. So these are the other blanks beta, you have to fill it by your own. Okay, so now we will learn descending order. When numbers are written in the order from the largest to the smallest, they are said to be in decreasing or descending order. For example, 903, 486, 165, 54 and 23 are in a descending order. So बड़ा नंबर, फिर छोटा, फिर छोटा, फिर छोटा, फिर सबसे छोटा. So these are the example. Okay, so now next, arrange the following numbers in descending or you can say that decreasing order. One has been done for you. First one is 420, 379, 502, 298, 401 and 397. So among all, our bigger number is 502, then 420, then 401, 397 and 397, then 379 and at last 298 is our smallest number. Okay, similarly we will do next one. First number is given 267, then 319, 176, 537, 841 and 106. So for descending order you have to take the bigger number one. So among all we can see that our bigger number is 841. So write it 841. Okay, then cut it from list. 841 ले लिया. उसके बाद हमारा आता है बच्चों 537. So write it and cut it from list. Okay, after this हमारा क्या आता है? 319. So write it 319. Cut it from list. 319 से पहले हमारा क्या आएगा? 267. So write it 267. फिर हमारा क्या बच्चा बच्चों? 176 and 106. So we know that 176 and at the last 106. So with this we have done 841, then 537, 319, 267, 176 and this is our 106. So this is how we just do the descending or decreasing order beta. Okay. So these are the other example which you have to fill it by your own. Okay. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So keep doing practice and do rest of these question answers by your own.